Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set the clock on a Lexus GX470. Press the menu or disp button to open system settings, then choose clock or time. Use the dial, tune knob, or arrow buttons to set the hour first, then the minutes. Confirm by pressing enter or OK, and the display will update immediately. If your vehicle has navigation, check its clock too so both systems match for accurate timekeeping. In this video, I will show how to set the clock on a Lexus GX470. Begin by determining if your model uses a touchscreen, dial, or discrete buttons for settings. Navigate to clock or time, then set the hour carefully to avoid AM/PM mistakes. After hours, set minutes and press OK to save. If your GX470 supports GPS or radio time sync, enable that feature to maintain accuracy without manual updates. In this video, I will show how to set the clock on a Lexus GX470. If the control panel is unresponsive, switch ignition to accessory and retry to reset the system. Different model years may label menus differently, so consult your owner manual for exact menu names. If the audio and navigation clocks disagree, adjust each system individually and enable any automatic sync features to prevent future drift between displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.